Hi, loves. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 21. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of stuff coming in 2023. So, of course, I started the day out with walking Cupcake, and we kind of lay in the bed before we go on our walk. And he's always happy to go outside, and it takes forever to figure out where he wants to do his business. And then later on in the day, a couple packages arrived. One from Mochithings. It's my first order from there. And then I got a surprise package from a friend. And I put that package under the tree so that I could open it on Christmas. But of course, the mochi package I had to open right away because it is some stationery that I'm going to be using in 2023 as like a memory planner. I saw a lot of people in the planner community. I won't say a lot, but a few people in the planner community using this. And it seems like it's going to be great for organizing my memory planning for 2023. So I wanted to try it out. Normally I will use, like this year I used I think it was a fringe notebook, and you get those in Home Goods or somewhere like that. So I will show you the setup when I have this done. And then there was me in the office just trying to get cozy. I love this blanket. And of course, now we are getting ready for bed, Cupcake and I. So we will see you tomorrow on day 22.